CBSE examination paper 2024లో యాక్చువల్లీ 23rd క్వశ్చన్ 23rd ఫస్ట్ బిట్ 2√2 cos 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees plus 2√3 cos 30 degrees. 2√2 cos 45 degrees అంటే 1/√2 into sin 30 degrees అంటే 1/2 plus 2√3 cos 30 degrees అంటే √3/2. √2 get cancelled, 2 also get cancelled and 2 also cancelled. Only 1 will be the remaining. √3 into √3 √3 whole square. Square root cancel అవుతుంది. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is the answer.